There's something special about this small modern house, a perfect balance of simplicity, comfort, and design intelligence. Every wall, every corner, every open space, built not just to impress, but to fit real life beautifully. As we move around the exterior, the design greets us with clean white walls, a soft play of shadows, and just the right touch of green. Solar panels crown the flat roof, silently powering the home, proof that modern living can be both beautiful and sustainable. Step closer and you feel it, that subtle invitation to enter. The carport sits neatly by the entrance, shielded and stylish, while the compact garden corner breathes life into the scene, a quiet space for coffee, sunlight, or simply peace. A single door, framed with texture and light, opening to a home that redefines what small can mean. Inside, the layout flows naturally. Kitchen tucks neatly along the wall, compact, efficient, and surprisingly complete. Every appliance, every cabinet, perfectly placed to make daily life effortless. This isn't just a small house, it's a smart house. Step into the bedroom and you're met with calm. A full-sized bed, soft tones, and enough storage to keep everything minimal yet functional. The bathroom follows the same philosophy. Dark tiles, modern fixtures, and a sense of balance. Compact yet luxurious, efficient yet elegant. Every inch here has a purpose. Every surface designed to last. Now, as we pull up to view the home from above, the design reveals its true intelligence. Our space is planned to perfection. Bedroom, a living and kitchen area, a modern bathroom, a storage room, and a dedicated car park area. Every meter accounted for, every design choice intentional. And as the renders come to life, we see what this home truly represents. The dream of modern living, made accessible. A place that proves you don't need a large space to live beautifully. You just need smart design, purpose, and heart, where minimal meets meaningful. Would you live here? Modern compact living, designed for the future. Subscribe for more inspiring house designs.